Alrighty. This is a short little video. Oh yeah, my name is Guy. Welcome to Project Sparks. This is a short little video explaining the mishap from last night, um, or early this morning actually. But what happened was I got to looking. I took a break, you know, and I got to looking, and man, that fan sure looked big. And yep, it, it's just about 5 millimeters too big. It is just too big. I thought, oh, I could just take off the stand-ups and lay the motherboard right down there on the case. Yeah, that'd work. No, it's just like the pit. So later today, I've got a different fan coming that should work. Uh, Somehow we got the wrong one, but whatever. We'll get the right one in there. And anyway, that's just an update of what's going on. See you then.